Hello traders and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to mark out your lines, your price lines. Do I call them price lines? I don't know what to call them, bro. So I'll be cleaning off all these lines from the chart and we're gonna be drawing it together. So pay attention because this video is very important. This is how institutional traders they draw. This is how they draw their lines. They don't trade trend lines. They don't trade breakouts on 5 minutes. No. That's not how they trade. If you really want to trade like the institutional traders, master how they trade, you have to trade for monthly time frame. And the first step in marking out this is to look for turning points in the market. Turning points. What are turning points? Turning points are places buyers come in and shift the market, or sellers come in and shift the market. And we have important places here on the price chart. We have this place. This is one. So what I will do when I find out the level, I just put my line there, and that's it. That is an important place. That's an important turning point. And this is one. So later I'll adjust them properly. So let's just mark them out for now. This is another one. This is another one. How did I get this one? Can you see it? I just look for important places, and this is it. So now this is what I do. Let me use one for instance. Now whenever I get one price like this, an important place, I try to cover up all the important weak offs. Now if you notice something, there's a weak off on this place, and that was the turning point. So I'll create and use another horizontal line and place there. Now I have to wait for price to get into that box and I make a decision. Swift and intelligent decision. I'll teach you how to make those decisions. So this is another turning point here. You can see that one here. This is a turning point. You see it? It held, and it's holding at recent time now. So you place your line there and you look for a way to cover up all the wicks. Now going up, do you see this wick off here? It's very tiny. And let me zoom in and show you. Do you see this wick offs? These 3 wick offs there. Now my plan is to cover them up with 2 horizontal lines. I place one here below and I place this one here above. And these are prices and they are important. If you check very well, when markets go there, they used it. What I'm telling you or what I'm teaching you is not just something I just formulate. This is how they trade. Yes, this is how they trade. When they go down here in 2023, they use this first one. Sometimes they use the first one or they use the second one, but the main thing is to cover up all the weak offs. Any weak off you see around here is important. You see, they even went into this one and used the second one here. This one, they came here, created some form of fake out, and whew, they went up. Market is crazy, man. If you're not smart enough, you will drown. So the trading pattern I use is just simple. It's just lines. I don't do trend lines, bro. Just whenever I'm tired of taking profit, I just stop. So that's it. So drawing this one here, just add an extra one here to make it look kind of bold, and that's it. So drop a comment if you're enjoying the video, and also there's a Telegram link where I've dropped my trades. And also tell me if you want me to make a Telegram link where traders can discuss and ask me questions, like a form of a customer care service. I'm not your mentor. I'm not teaching you how to trade or use your money. It's just like customer care service where you can come and chat with me and tell me what you want me to help you with, and I'll teach you or have a private class with you, and that's it. So this is for today's video, and I don't really have much to say. My trading style is simple. It's just about price, cheap and expensive, and I take my trade from there. So simple. No big statement, no words, no methodology or blah blah blah. and I add a little bit of fundamental around it to know what is happening in the market. This is the Prince of Forex. Hit the like button and subscribe and share my videos if you like my kind of content.